Welcome friends, here we discuss the frequently asked question of the topic basics of cells and tissues from the subject anatomy and physiology. Let's begin with questions. First, adipose tissue of newborn called brown fat. Next, which among the following is the smallest human chromosome, that is chromosome 21? Next, the powerhouse of the cell is mitochondria. Next, yeast is a fungi. Next, self-replicating small circular DNA molecules present in bacterial cells are known as plasmids. Next, which enzyme is a constitutive enzyme in most tissue and having a housekeeping role in the body, that is cyclooxygenase 1. Next, the method of DNA replication proposed by Watson and Crick is semi-conservative. Next, self-eating means uptake of solid particulates. Next, a particular cell's organelle is sometimes referred certain enzymes that can break down the cell components or even the whole cells called lysosomes. Next, the distance between each turn in the DNA helical strand is 34 angstrom. Next, gene is a segment of DNA. Next, which among the following helps to determine the character of a cell? Genes. Next, DNA is mainly present in nucleus. Next, the plasma membrane is mainly composed of phospholipid. Next, vesicular transport of materials from inside of the cells to outside of the cells is known as exocytosis. Next, the ribosomes are present on the surface of endoplasmic reticulum. Next, smooth surface of endoplasmic reticulum is associated with steroidal hormone synthesis. Next, mechanism of transport across the cell membrane by facilitated diffusion, glucose entry into the cell. Next, cell volume and pressure is mainly dependent upon the activity of sodium-potassium pump. Next, the mitotic spindle is made up of a protein called tubulin. Next, the most abundant protein in the mammalian cells is collagen. Next, Golgi apparatus is associated with secretions. Next, protein is synthesized by ribosomes. Next, ryanodine receptor is located in the sarcoplasmic endoplasmic reticulum membrane. Next, the interval between each cell division is called interphase. Next, functional unit of gene that specifies synthesis of one polypeptide is cistron. Next, what is the correct name of premature death of cells and living tissue? Necrosis. Next, programmed cell death is termed as apoptosis. Next, The protein DNA complex in higher organisms is called chromatin. Next, which of the following classes of cells have no nucleus, that is prokaryotic? Next, maximum amount 70 to 75% of carbon dioxide transport occur in the form of bicarbonate. Next, the end product of purine catabolism is uric acid. Next, cells are enclosed by a plasma membrane composed mainly of lipids and proteins. Next, Thomson's disease associated with muscular dystrophy. Next, which pyrimidine base is found only in RNA, that is uracil. Next, examples of transport across cell membrane by simple diffusion. The examples are oxygen, carbon dioxide, anesthetic gas, and nitric oxide. Next, the condensation of chromatin and shrinkage of nucleus leading to cell death is termed as echinosis. Next, which of the following series best illustrates the idea of increasing levels of complexity organelle, cells, tissue, organ, and system? Next, the calcium binding protein that plays a key role in the regulation of both smooth muscle cell contraction is called calmodulin. Next, the use of energy for producing chemical substance called anabolism. Next, the tendency of the body to maintain a stable environment called homeostasis. Next, which of the following molecules cannot pass through the plasma membrane, that is amino acid based hormones? Next, which among the following enzyme plays an important role in adding the building blocks to the primer in a sequence determined by the DNA template? The enzyme called as polymerase. Next, how is oxygen used by living organisms? It is used to release energy that is stored in food. Next, what term is used to describe the movement of dissolved particle along or down their concentration gradient? That term is used is diffusion. Next, tolerance and drug resistance can be consequence of increased metabolic degradation. Next, the dorsal body cavity contains which of the following organ? That is the brain and spinal cord. Next, what are the primary type of body tissues? That are nervous tissue, muscular tissue, epithelial tissue, and connective tissue. Next, the study of how body parts functions called physiology. Next, mitochondria produce which of the following? ATP. Next, a section that separates the body into right and left portion called sagittal section. Next, which one of the following organelles is considered as energy producing center of the cell? That is mitochondria. Next, a mechanism functioning to maintain a stable internal environment is most likely to involve negative feedback. Next, a cell membrane mainly consists of lipid, cholesterol and proteins. Next, the lining of blood vessels made up of simple squamous epithelium. Next, which plane of body divides it into dorsal and ventral regions, that is coronal. Next, which one of the following terms best describes a phospholipid? It has polar head and non-polar tail. Next, electrolytes are substances that ionize when dissolved in water. Next, which one of the following model best describes the structure of the cell membrane? That is fluid mosaic model. Next, amino acid molecules combine together to form proteins. Next, plasmapheresis is mainly used for which of the following? To remove antibodies. Next, cells that are found in tendons are called fibroblasts. Next, which of the following are connective tissue? Blood, fat, tendon and bones are the example of connective tissue. Next, which among the following is essential material of gene, that is DNA? Next, what is one function of mitochondria? Produce molecules of ATP. Next, a phenomena in which drug from the systemic circulation is excreted into the bile and is reabsorbed from the intestine back into the bloodstream is called as enterohepatic recycling. Next, what is the major function of lysosome? It digests unwanted cellular particles. Next, the directional term superior in anatomy means which of the following? That is cephalic. Next, which of the following enables ion such as sodium to cross a plasma membrane is integral proteins. Next, which of the following is the smallest living structural unit of the body, that is cell? Next, a genetic code specifies how many kinds of amino acids? 20. Next, the cell membrane's resting potential minus 70 millivolt inside compared to the outside is due to sodium-potassium pump. Next, loss of cell adherence and cell differentiation called anaplasia. Next, synthesis of RNA and proteins takes place in G1 phase of cell cycle. Next, which tissue covers the body surface and lines internal tubes? That is epithelial tissue. Next, the diffusion of water through a membrane is referred to as osmosis. Next, which metal group are required in maximum quantities in a living organism? Potassium, sodium, magnesium and calcium are required in maximum amount by living organism. Next, spindle fibers are made up of tubulin. Next, what is the major component of cellular plasma membrane? That is phospholipid. Next, chiasmata formation takes place during prophase 1. Next, name the process in which nucleus of the cell DNA is used as a template to form mRNA, that is transcription. Next, which phase comes between G1 and G2 phase, that is S phase. Next, which of the following cells produce most pigment molecules, that is melanocytes. Next, which of the following is the correct combination of the component for RNA, phosphate, ribose and uracil. Next, chromosomes are arranged along equator during metaphase. Next, the nucleic acid which carries the information for protein synthesis from the cell nucleus to the ribosomes is mRNA. Next, the combination of a sugar and a base is given the general term of nucleoside. Next, crossing over occurs during Pichetin. Next, which of the base pairing in DNA would be correct? A pair with T while C pairs with G. Next, DNA replicates during S phase of cell cycle. Next, in the ribosome, the mRNA is used to produce the particular amino acid sequence for the formation of protein is termed as translation. Next, which of the following is correct combination of the component for nucleic acid DNA, phosphate, deoxyribose and adenine? Next, replication of centriole occurs in interphase. Next, crossing over occurs between non-sister chromatid of bivalents. Next, chromosomes are separated during anaphase. Next, the nucleus of the cells contain the master nucleic acid is DNA. Next, the combination of a sugar, a base and at least one phosphate group is given the general term nucleotide. Next, centrioles take part in the formation of spindle. Next, how many nucleotides are required to code for a single amino acid, that is 3. Next, cell drinking is called pinocytosis. Next, which among the following is known as mytoplast? Mitochondria without outer membrane called mytoplast. Next, a type of cell division in which one cells, the mother cells, divided to produce two new cells, that is daughter cells, that are genetically identical to itself called mitosis. Next, digestive enzymes are present in lysosome. Next, cell theory is not applicable to viruses. Next, which event occur during metaphase of mitosis? The chromosomes are aligned on a plane in the center of the cell. Next, what is the purpose of meiosis? It produces haploid cells. Next, sodium and potassium pumps are examples of active transport. Next, Which cell organelles contain an acidic environment capable of digesting a wide variety of molecules called lysosomes? Next, detoxification of lipid molecules and other harmful compounds in endoplasmic reticulum is carried out by cytochrome P450. Next, during protein synthesis, where does translation occur? It occurs in cytoplasm between ribosomes, tRNA and mRNA. Next, the term chromatin would be used in reference to which of the following genetic substance? Next, histone octamer contain 8 histones of 4 different types. Next, glycocalyx is associated with plasma membrane. Next, during cell cycle, which phase takes the longest time to complete? That is interphase. Next, in which phase of mitosis the chromosomes line up at the center of the spindle? That is metaphase. Next, which of the following statement best describes DNA? It is double-stranded deoxyribonucleic acid. Next, cristae are associated with mitochondria. Next, which of the following cell type denotes an immature cell? That is osteoblasts. Next, ribosomal RNA is synthesized by nucleolus. Next, active transport across the plasma membrane might be described by it required energy from ATP. Next, polythin chromosomes are found due to endomitosis. Next, what is the general feature of fibroblast, chondroblast, osteoblast and hemocytoblast? They all are immature cells. Next, facilitated diffusion is the process of movement along a concentration gradient assisted by protein carrier molecule. Next, the animal cells are interconnected by desmosomes. Next, which one of the following cell type is found in epithelial tissue? Melanocytes and keratinocytes. Next, which of the following is the simplest amino acid? That is glycine. Next, adipocytes are found in which type of tissue? That is connective tissue. Next, which of the following are part of plasma membrane of the cell? Those are phospholipids, glycoprotein and cholesterol are important part of plasma membrane of a cell. Next, there is no DNA in mature RBC. Next, which one of the following is a major tissue type? That is epithelial tissue. Next, widest skeletal muscle is latissimus dorsi. Next, strongest skeletal muscle is masseter. Next, longest skeletal muscle is sartorius muscle. Next, largest skeletal muscle is gluteus muscle. Next, cell theory was proposed by Schleiden and Schwann. Next, what is the function of phospholipids in the plasma membrane? It acts as barrier for the passage of water-soluble molecules. Next, which of the following does not have a membrane? That is ribosome. Next, cell membrane is semi-permeable. Next, lysosome, centrosome and ribosomes are examples of cell organelles. Next, Racker's particles occur in mitochondria. Next, polytene chromosomes are formed due to endomitosis. Next, centromere is required for movement of chromosomes toward poles. Next, cell membrane have ability to maintain a difference in electrical charge between the interior of the cell and the extracellular fluid. This charge difference is called as membrane potential. Next, which of the following cells commonly perform phagocytosis, that is macrophagy? Next, which of the following is major function of epithelial cells, that is secretion? Next, choose the membrane that is serous membrane. Those are pleura, peritoneum and pericardium. These are the serous membrane. Tendons and ligaments are composed of dense connective tissue. Next, which of the following can form an almost impermeable seal between two adjacent epithelial cells, that is tight junctions? Next, ATP production primarily occur in which of the following organelles, that is mitochondria? Next, which of the following molecules often function as enzyme, that is proteins? Next, what happens during anaphase of mitosis? Spindle fibers pull each chromatid to opposite directions of the cell. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.